Morning, morning, all my friends, family. I hope you're all well. I just got something for the fathers and mothers. I'm going to first start with the fathers. You know, fathers, or the upcoming fathers, that when you have a daughter, you are her first love. So the way you treat her and the way you treat her mother, that is what she's going to look at when she's looking for a husband. Because that is how she's been born up and taught. Now, I've got a 13-year-old daughter. Let me tell you something. I'm making it difficult for her to find the right husband. The reason for that is I love my daughter. I cherish her. I support her. I show her what is husband's love when I deal with her mother. I carry my wife on my hands. I serve her. I love her. I protect her. I provide for her. My wife is not a slave. She's part of me. And I want my daughter to see that. And that is what she must find in a husband and look for, is those points. The same as a mother. Mother, you are your son's first love. The way you treat your son and the way you treat your husband, you must make it difficult for your son to find the right wife. They must look for those points in a relationship. But the most important is, I make sure she's going to look for a God-fearing man. A one that put God first in everything. A one that have a relationship with the Father. A one that has the love of God inside of him and bringing it out to the other people. Fathers, you need to think what you do with your daughter and to your wife. Mothers, the same with you. We are the first love of our children. So, think a little bit how you treat them, how you treat your spouse. Don't blame other people if your children find the wrong spouse. You need to work on your relationship so that they can have a strong relationship with somebody. Think about it. Have a nice day. Cheers.